As I fractured my hip, I was told I needed to sit a little bit higher. So I went through Amazon, looking through a lot of these. And this one looked really comfortable. It's nice and squishy. I only need a little bit of lift at this point, so it's working great. This is definitely nice and plush. And the handle over here makes it nice and easy to carry. And don't be fooled whenever this thing comes. It comes rolled up like one of those memory foam mattresses. Looks like the size of a large burrito. When you take it out of the package, it doesn't take long to take its form. And it is definitely comfortable to sit on. And the contouring makes it okay for my hip, most definitely.
Şimdi ise mutlu şey bitirsen tek süreceksin. Özür bana şöyle bir anlatır mısın?
Here it is. It's on this chair. Super comfy. I have that extra cushion in the bottom, but and this zips. So if you want to ever wash it, you can just zip off the cover, and there you go. Here's the cushion that I got. It's pretty thick. It fits perfectly. It's very plush. It feels really good when you sit in it. It fits perfectly in my office chair. Anyway, I really like it. It's nice. This is the thickness of the cushion. Very nice. I sit at my desk for literally 8 hours a day. It's durable, soft. Can't complain.